Hello everybody, how you doing today? So anyways, Ken here with Ultralight, and I'm doing an instructional video on some of our GoPro kits. We have, as you might know, we've got a lot of kits that we started building once we rebranded the company, and right now we have about 70 different kits. If you find something that you feel we should have as a kit, we're always happy to hear everybody's suggestions, so let us know. So anyways, GoPro tray type kits. The part numbers of the kits will be in the video, but I do want to show you that. So like this right here would be a set, and it should come in all these individual packages in one larger bag, and the bag will have the part number on there for the actual kit. There'll be a card in there. The card should get you to this video. It'll tell you how to put the kit together if you need to, all that good fun stuff. So anyways, check that out when you get your kit. These kits come in a dual handle with this wing tray. They come in a dual handled single tray, which is like this one that I'm going to show you. And they come in a single handle tray. So like again, all these parts will come separately and you just have to assemble it, which is pretty easy. So like this kit, you get your tray. At the end of each ends on the tray is a threaded hole. So what you'll do is take the handle, take this acorn nut off, thread it on there. You can spin it like that, you can spin it like this, whatever works. Tighten it like hand tight. Take the acorn nut, tighten it down with a wrench. The reason we have the acorn nut is it's nice and smooth. If there's any little thread sticking out or anything, you're not going to get scratched or cut on there. Once you do that, you have a good tray. A nice addition to this is if you got our lanyard, you can actually hook the lanyard on to the hole on the tray right here, attach it to you. It's not going to go anywhere, and then if you want, you release that, and then you can move the tray around and take your video, and when you're all done, snap it back, just leave it hanging there, and you're all set. So anyways, that is the instructions for the GoPro trays. Have a great day and happy videoing.